Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to set up Trust Wallet on Android phone. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Play Store, and here you just have to tap on the search icon in the bottom. After that, in the search bar, you need to search for Trust Wallet and then tap on it in order to install the application in your device. Now once it is installed successfully, you just have to launch it, and then you will be able to see this type of interface of Trust Wallet. Now here tap on get started, and then it will ask you to create a new wallet, or you can even add the existing one. But since we want to create a new wallet, you need to tap on the create new wallet option, and then it will give you two options further, like you can create your wallet with the help of a secret phrase and with the Swift option, but I would recommend you to go with the seed phrase option. So tap on the create option. Now it will ask you to back up your Trust Wallet seed phrase first, so you can back it up manually, or you can even back it up with Google Drive. Let me show you what is the difference between these two. So once you have selected the backup manually option, it will show you some of the instructions, so you just have to read them thoroughly and check the boxes and press continue. After pressing continue, you will be able to see the secret phrase associated with your Trust Wallet account, which you need to copy somewhere safe, and then you just have to re-enter that seed phrase in order to confirm that you have backup your Trust Wallet manually. Now if you don't want to do it, then you can even back it up on your Google Drive. For that, select the second option and now provide the backup name. After that, press continue. Now it will take some time in processing, and then it will show you your email addresses. So you just have to select your email address, and then your seed phrase will be stored on cloud. Now if you don't want to do it, or if you want to do it later, then tap on the skip option in the top right hand corner, but I would recommend you to do it first, only then create your Trust Wallet account. Now here you need to enter your passcode, which you can use in order to log in into your account anytime. If you want to use biometrics, then you can even use the biometrics login, and then you can even allow the notifications if you want to. And now you can claim your 100 points, and this way you can set up your Trust Wallet account. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.